Hi, today I'm going to be doing my unboxing that I got from Amazon, and these are just the iPhone cases for my iPhone 4 that I got. So let's see. Ooh. Okay, this is the first one. That one. This one, I like this one. This is the root skull. And I got this one. And if you want me to tell you how much they were, just comment below. I'll happy to tell you. And the seller that I got these from. And here's are just the free screen protectors that they send me. If you want, sorry I can't put these on my phone because I'm using my phone to film. But thanks for watching. Have a great day.